Hello everyone. Today we are going to present our work on the engineering of metrological equipments, integration and its utilization as an early warning system. This proceeding is entitled Multi-Instruments Real-Time Weather Early Warning System. It is work of 4 people from Meteorological, Climatological and Geophysical Agency. They are Anwar Saifuddin, Maulana Putra, Ahmad Furqan, and Sugiarto. I am Anwar Saifuddin, as the main author will explain the materials slide by slide, start from the beginning to the proposed plan. Alright, next. Introduction. Why we build this system. Okay, backgrounds. Backgrounds development of this system include detection of potential hydrometeorology disaster based on meteorological instruments not yet disseminated in real-time mode. Integrated all of potential meteorological instruments observation system in one integrated online system. And then implementation of user-friendly dissemination information using voice and pop-up notification. And then as a tool for forecasters in determining weather forecasts and their impacts based on observational data. And the last, complement the existing signature BMKG system as a verification tool to IBF. Okay. Aims. The background produce several objectives. There is among implemented detection potential hydrometeorological disaster automatically. And then integrated all of meteorological instrument observation system in one dashboard. And then implemented process of dissemination information potential disaster automatically. And the last, all process from observation, analysis, dissemination are handled by a computerized system. Theory. Ton of sources make our research realistic to be developed. Okay, weather radar. We utilize one of weather radar product called spectrum width or W. Why did we process the spectrum width data and its derived product? Okay, the question is because this is primarily used to detect bad weather phenomena such as storm, divergent, convergent, gusty front, and etc. Following is the definition of spectrum width according to the meteorologist Jeff Heavy. Okay, still with weather radar, spectrum width versus velocity. We can look at different product between spectrum width and velocity. Velocity data upper right show a weak circulation, but spectrum width lower left clearly show high values due to turbulent flow associated with the circulation. Okay, still with theory of weather radar, spectrum width on squall line. And also, we can look at different two products between reflectivity and spectrum width well detected squall line. Squall line is a group of storms arranged in a line, often accompanied by a squalls of high wind and heavy rain. An extensive squall line is evident in reflectivity data. Note how spectrum width clearly identifies the effective boundary with around. Okay, it's along leading edge of convection on the southern side of KLCS. However, it is located on bad edge of land in the northern section. Reflectivity does not show this as well as spectrum width does. Okay, Linux server. With some programming languages such as PHP, Python for the backend. PHP is widely used for web programming and it has a biggest community here in Indonesia. PHP within the system is used to generate API data. And then Python with Anaconda become much easier to use. Python is utilized to process the radar data from GML format to GeoJSON. In addition, We use HTML and CSS JavaScript as the front end to display all data format or parsing data in the website. All these languages are installed on Linux server Ubuntu, along with some supporting protocols which are Shell Script Secure, File Transfer Protocol, and Hypertext Transfer Protocol, securely. Okay, system design. How we make the system accessible, feature available, and finally, IRMA Integra ready to service. Okay, system processing. Following the illustration of system processing from IRMA via Integra. IRMA via Integra server obtains product data of weather radar, such as Vergens, storm structure analysis, gas difference. These data are their KML format or geography markup language and converted to GeoJSON format or geography JavaScript object notation. Furthermore, the server obtains our data in XML format. Data retrieving process use secure shell protocol. While data conversion process from KML to JSON use Python. These data are then processed based on the algorithm that has been set up in order to get the API data in the form of alerts. This process uses PHP as a programming language. The results of its data processing is displayed on the website using HTML and JavaScript as well as its notification. Okay, table of wind alerts as a threshold categorized. For the strong wind algorithm of AWOS, we use the classification table according to Bureau of Meteorology Australia. Based on the classification of strong wind, gale force, storm force, and hurricane force. Okay, algorithm of Vergens, divergent convergence, alert as threshold categories. In this algorithm, we divided it into 3 levels: low, moderate, and high risk. If the total points of Vergens from the last product is less than or equal 5, then it will be marked with 1. If the total points is more than 5 and less than or equal 10, then it will be marked 2. If the total is more than 10, then it will be marked 3. 1 is the low risk, 2 is for moderate risk, and 3 is the high risk. Algorithm of storm alerts as thresholds categorized. The same as Vergens algorithm in determining low, moderate, and high risk level. This algorithm processes the number of polygon forms in storm structure analysis product. If the total storm equals the total numbers of polygon, okay, then it will be classified and marked using the number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, algorithm of gas difference alerts as a threshold categorized. Okay. Gas difference is one of the products of spectrum width weather radar. In these products, is marked in the form of a line comes from several points. The total GASTI is equal to the total number of lines in a single GASTI from product. If the total is less than or equal to, is marked with the number 1 or low risk. If the total is above 2 and less than or equal to 5, is marked with the number 2 or moderate risk. And if the total GASTI above 5, then marked with the number 3 or high risk. The 3 levels, low, moderate, high risk of the 3 products, Vergens, SSA, gas difference, we get based on our experience. Of course, the level criteria can vary depending on the region, perhaps based on the density of the population in a region. Okay, flowchart processing. Following is the flowchart processing process in the server. Okay, the server obtains data from our server, where the data format is in CSV. Okay. PSP application generate algorithm threshold categorize strong win, alerts, and results in API data format JSON. Okay. The server also retrieves data from weather radar server, Vergens, SSA, Castifront. These data are processed using PSP application and it produces API data JSON in same file. Okay, storm structural analysis. Here's a look at IRMA Info dashboard and the SSA storm structural analysis view. Polygon data and information in it are size, volume, mass, mean height, mass X, and etc. SSA is a derivative product of product spectrum width. This product indicates the presence of cumulonimbus or CB clouds allowing potential disasters in affected areas. Okay, Vergens. Still from the derivative products, spectrum width is a Vergen product. Okay, from this product consists of convergence and divergence. All potentials are detected in the algorithm. Okay. The information that appears is a dot, and if clicked, it will contain information. Okay. FID, max height, wind shear, wind height, size, and volume. Okay. Notification. Okay. Notification is one of the crucial things in developing a disaster early warning system. The notification consists of modals or pop-up and voice notification. This is generated automatically by the system based on the algorithm that has been described in the previous slide. The voice notification that you will get from this system sound like storm has been detected, strong wind has been detected. Okay. User will easily identify the potential location of the disasters, and it also serves as information dissemination tool. Okay. On weather alert sidebar, we can also see the potential levels of the disaster for each category: strong wind, Vergens, storm, and Castifront. The increase of the levels will be notified with green, yellow, and red light generated from the before mentioned algorithm. This is very beneficial to increase alertness. Okay. To detect potential disaster around airport area, we are displaying the data from Flight Radar 24. These data are from ADSB receiver Flight Radar 24. Okay. Here is an example of utility related to ADSB receiver. IRMA EVA Integra for further development is very applicable and narrowed its location to the area around an airport. It is done to detect any potential meteorological disaster in that area. Okay. The information from ADSB receiver is then processed and displayed on Flight Radar 24 website. You can find it on the left part of sidebar. And the information include aircraft type, registration, calibrate altitude, ground speed, latitude, and longitude. This information is exclusively for aviation meteorological services. Okay, We develop IRMA via Integra system to integrate our meteorological equipment and to detect any potential meteorological disasters. Following is the dashboard of AWOS on the right part. The display AWOS is in the area around Juanda Airport in Sidoarjo. It can be used to speed up the decision-making process in case of disaster within the area. Okay, video demo. Okay, we develop IRMA Integra, bringing idea into reality.
Convergence has been detected. Storm has been detected. Convergence has been detected. Storm has been.
Okay, future development. Okay, it is our biggest dream that IRMA via Integra can be applied throughout Indonesia. So proposal to make our system scalable to provide large coverage. Proposed plan. Okay. That is the illustration of our current IRMA via Integra. Its scope, it is still limited to East Java province, and it's not fully maximized as our radar reach is only effective within 150 kilometers. However, it's better to develop and use it than not. Okay, the last, thank you for the opportunity that has been granted to us by WinID. Stay healthy and stay safe.